get out.
Alright, 8678. Wait, let me look the number. 8678. Stop. No. I'm not recording you, Aiden. I already took a picture. It's just refocusing the picture, alright? Go. I'm adding your picture to the contact. Go. 8678. Reset, right? 8768, sorry. 2938. And you have to say call made by Aiden Rogers to the box.
No.
Oh, seriously, you put money in. You have to do it.
What do I do now?
You have to say call by Aiden Rogers.
No.
Okay, Aiden. That's what we have to do. Okay? Call by Aiden Rogers.
Call by Aiden.
You have to say it to the thing.
Call by Aiden.
Oh my god, you have to say it loud. Like call.
Wait.
See, look, follow on call. You have to say call made by Aiden Rogers. Do it, Aiden. Your money's in there. Come on, $2. Say call made by Aiden Rogers.
Wait, so instead.
Say phone call by Aiden Rogers.
What the hell do you do now?
Phone call by Aiden Rogers.
Phone call by Aiden Rogers.
Is it working?
No.
Okay, get your money back. Get your money back. Can you get your money back?
No.
Alright, reset. I'll tell you again. Okay.
That's not reset, that's language.
8678 2938. And say, you have to say it quick. Call by Aiden Rogers.
Call by Aiden Rogers.
Say it loud.
Call by Aiden Rogers.
Aiden, here's your money. Took it out. 768 3987. And voice call by Aiden Rogers. Phone call by Aiden Rogers.
Phone call by your mum.
Reset. Can you do it again?
No, you're just recording it.